Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me for today's core workout. Let's begin in a V hold. Roll the shoulders open, sit onto the top of your glutes, sit back a little bit, lift your feet off the floor, turn your upper body towards your right, keeping both sit bones on the floor. We turn to the right and back to center. Let's go to the left, look towards the left and back to center. Feel free to take your hands in heart center as you go to the right and center. And again to the left, sustaining our balance while we work on our obliques and overall core. Look to your right and center and left and center. Last time, let's look to the right. And then this time we're going to sit back, stretch the legs underneath you, come back, look to your left, sit back and come back up. Again, look to your right, sit back, come back up, look to your left, sit back, and come back up. Cross your left leg on top of your right, left arm up, and you twist towards your right for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the legs and arms, twist to the left for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch again, twist towards your right for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right arm up, twist to your left for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Give yourself a hug. Next exercise, sit back onto your elbows, legs extended, and we release our right heel down to the floor for 8. Bring it back up. Lower down for 7. Bring it back up. And 6. And again for 5, keeping that core engaged. 4, belly button to spine connection. 3, almost there. 2, see if you can lower your legs a little bit. And 1, let's switch to the left. We lower our left leg down for 8. And 7, almost there. 6, great job. 5, and 4. I know this is difficult. 3, keep those shoulders open. 1 long line from your head to your sit bone. 2, and last one, beautiful. Give yourself a hug. Roll all the way the length of your spine onto your back. Feel free to wiggle your hips, do some windshield wiper movements. Next exercise, we're going to place our hands underneath our seat. Legs are up and we do leg lowers. Let's start with 4, nice and slow. Lower down for 4, keeping our back flat against the floor, and lower the legs down again for 3. On the exhale, you lower down. Inhale, lift up. Let's exhale, lower down for 2. Inhale, up. Last one, 1. Now option to take your hands from behind your seat to behind your head. Lower the legs again for 4. Keeping your back flat. 3. This might look different. Now without our hands underneath our seat helping us, let's lower the legs down once again. And lift up. Last one, lower those legs down as low as you can, keeping your back flat. Come back up. Imagine you're on a bicycle now. Twist your upper body towards your right and your left. Let's keep going for 4, 3, pedaling those feet. 2, 1. We're going backwards for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep the head up. 3, 2, 1. We're going forwards for 8, 7, 6. Beautiful. 5. Keep that lower back flat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and relax. Give yourself a hug. Feel free to turn your head right and left to relax any tension from your neck and your head. Next exercise, place your hands behind your head again. Tap your toes together. On the next exhale, we bring our elbows to our knees. On the next inhale, we lower our head and lower our toes. Again, exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower the toes and the head. Again, exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower down. And again, exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower down. Let's do 4 more. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, lower down. 3. Inhale, lower down. We have 2. Almost there. And last one, thread your arms through. 10 pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Give yourself a hug. Next, let's do some Pilates roll-ups. So reach your legs underneath you and your arms above you on the inhale. exhale, you're going to lift your head and your neck, peel off through each and every vertebrae. If you need to use your hands on your legs to help you, that's totally fine. And then relax forward. Come back up to a seated position and exhale, tuck your pelvis under, roll each and every vertebrae from your sacrum all the way up. And again, rolling, peeling off the floor with your head and your neck first. Forward fold. Coming back up to a seated position, sit back, rolling through each and every vertebrae from your tailbone to the top of your head. Again, now you start from your head as you exhale. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sit back, rolling through each and every vertebrae. Last time, inhale, reach. Exhale, sit up. Inhale, reach up tall. Exhale, fold forward. Beautiful. Inhale, sit back up. Exhale, roll all the way down. Wonderful. Give yourself a hug and roll the length of your spine and thread your legs behind you into a tabletop. Next, let's tuck our toes under and lift our shins and lift our hips into a downward facing dog. Just pedal out your feet here. Do what feels good. Lift your heels up and down. When you're ready, come back to a tabletop. Inhale, look up into a cow. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest into a cat to articulate the spine. Again, inhale, look up into a cow. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. And then let's tuck our toes under, lift our knees off the floor, keeping a neutral spine into our bear hold. On the next exhale, press your hips up, keeping your heels high into a down dog. Again, inhale, keep your heels high. Exhale, shift forward into your bear hold again, keeping your core engaged. Now let's press our hips up, keep your heels high into your downward facing dog. Let's do that one last time. Bring the shins down into your bear hold, and then let's go to our last down dog before we go into a high plank. Go ahead and shift forward into your high plank, shoulders stacked on top of your wrists. Let's shift onto our left hand, stacking our shoulders on top of one another as well as our hips and our feet into a side plank in 3, 2, 1. Go to your side plank and I'll let you know when we can come down and switch sides. Beautiful. Come back through the center and let's switch sides right away. Come back to your high plank. Go to a low plank on your forearms. Next, we tap our right knee down to the floor. Bring it back up, left knee, and then 2 knees at a time. And again, 2 knees at a time. Again, the right knee, then the left, and 2. Again, 2. Let's do that again. The right and left. Almost there, 2. And 2. Last time, to the right and the left, and 2. And 2. Beautiful. Gently release your knees to the floor. Untuck your toes. Open up your heart to the sky. Press your hands into the floor into a cobra or a baby cobra. Lastly, press back into your child's pose. I hope you guys enjoyed this core workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Happy dancing. And until next time, bye now. Feel free to join me in a stretch here. I'm just stretching to one side and then the other side. And then right before I leave, I'm going to take my hands up, inhale, exhale, hands to heart center. Once again, you made it. Awesome job today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.